We quite literally live on this planet because of the ocean, and its health is vital to us being able to survive here. We use art as a tool for connection to really help invite curiosity to connect with the ocean. This invention really came through a variety of working with an engineer, an artist, and a scientist. The Coral Lok was invented to increase the efficiency of outplanting coral. You don't have to be a marine biologist to use the Coral Loks, so you can simply screw in the coral like a bolt, making it where a 10-year-old, tourist, or any average day person can get directly engaged with restoration. This is incredibly important because we need to outplant thousands of marine species more efficiently at an industrial scale to do what's needed for our environment. The Cade Prize helped us by providing a platform and network to elevate our work. I'm Shelby Thomas, co-inventor of the Coral Lok products, and I'm a proud Cade Prize finalist.